I'm gonna be so for real with you guys right now. That looks insane. It's just so colorful and crunchy. Oh my god, I'm such a child. I have just been going through it. I'm excited for those to come. I did get $10 off. Spent $77. They literally always call me up. I think I'm actually gonna bake a cake. Literally, look how big it is. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, if you're not, hello again. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a weekly vlog. Today is Monday and I am feeling it this morning. I am extra tired. Oh my god, I cannot even describe it. I'm going to be so for real with you guys right now because you know I've been going to the gym really early. It is almost like 10:30, okay? I've been going to the gym every day at like 8:30, so you just know that today is just... it's a Monday. If you know, you know. But I am going to try my best, so let's try and find some motivation to get the day going. So I need to go get some groceries. So this morning I'm having a sad bowl of oatmeal. I'm just going to put some vanilla Greek yogurt in it. I am in the middle of my luteal phase, or luteal phase. I don't know how you say it, but if you know, you freaking know. Your luteal phase is the phase where like strength decreases, energy decreases, serotonin decreases. So it's the part of your menstrual cycle where you just feel low energy, lack of motivation, your recovery is not as good as it normally is, and I am in the thick of it right now. And that's why I'm feeling this Monday so damn hard. I'm also so bloated. Like the bloat in your luteal phase, it is like no other, man. But like I said, I gotta get my Mondays started, so I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna head to the gym. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm hitting a back day today, which I'm feeling so tired for and I'm pretty scared, but I gotta get going. I really need to like get rid of this. Oh my god, it's like my husband's metal, but it's always in the way. So I just finished my workout. It was actually a really good workout. I did not film it, one, because I recently posted a week of workouts. I will put that up above. And two, I think my last like Monday vlog, I showed my back day, so I'm not gonna show you guys again because I'm on a program for like 6 to 8 weeks. I think right now, the time I'm filming this, I'm on like week 5. So I have a couple more weeks to go and like there's no point. It's the exact same workout. So if you want to see that workout again, I will link it above. I am so hungry just because this morning's breakfast was like pretty non-existent. I'm gonna go to Heal Wellness, which is like a smoothie acai bowl type of place. I think I was talking about this in my last Sunday reset vlog. There's one in Burlington. I don't know if it just opened up or if I just found out about it, but I want to give it a try because it looks so good. Therefore, I'm heading there right now because like I said, I am starving and I want to get some food in me before I go get groceries. For real though, look how beautiful this is. Honestly, it was pretty expensive. It was $16, but it's quite big. Banana, goji berries, coconut, strawberries. There's honey, there's granola. I'm so excited to try this. First bite. Oh wow. It's so cold though. My teeth are so sensitive. Oh my god. It's so good though. Wow. I guess this is gonna be my lunch. I don't know how filling it's gonna be. I feel like it will be because it's pretty big. Like literally look how big it is. But I'm gonna eat this in the car and then we're gonna go get groceries. I am home and I'm gonna quickly show you guys everything that I got. So I only went to Longo's. This is $110 worth of groceries, but with my loyalty card I did get $10 off. So I only ended up paying $99. Honestly, it doesn't look like a lot. Groceries are so expensive, but it's because of the meats. Like literally all the meats I bought were like $11 or $12 on their own. So first things first, I got these chicken breast fillets. We'll have that sometime this week for dinner. I got extra lean ground turkey. I'm gonna cook that up and make taco salad for my meal prep for lunches for the week. For my oatmeal and breakfast and snack like parfait things, I got strawberries, blueberries. The Icos Greek yogurt was on sale. I think it was like $3.39 or something. So I picked this up in the vanilla flavor. Grape tomatoes for my taco salad, as well as tortilla chips to give us some crunch. A bunch of bananas. The cinnamon toast Eggos. The family size was on sale, so I bought that one. The cheddar goldfish was actually on sale too for $5, I think it was. So I picked that up, and then I'll put this in Alan's lunch for just like a little snack during the week. This is another dinner item I picked up, this beef pot roast. It's really good, but we haven't had it in a while. We've tried butterfly shrimp before, but not the one from Longo's. It was on sale, so I picked it up. We'll also have that sometime this week for dinner. 2% milk, kale salad. I got sandwich bread for Alan, all beef salami for Alan, and then just random, I needed sandwich bags. I'm gonna go put this all away, and then I'm gonna pop in the shower and do my skincare. Later now. I just got in from walking Kobe, and security had a package for me. It is from Amazon. I think I was talking about this in another vlog, but this year I want to try and be a hat girly because I'm still like experimenting with my style, and I just want to like have style. So I've been wanting to get like really nice trucker hats and that type of stuff, and I found this one on Amazon. So it's like black with like an off-white color, and it says Heartland Heritage. On one side it says Countryside Collection, and then the other side it is like a little mountain, and it is a snapback. Does it look weird? I don't know. It feels like it might be a little bit too big for my head. Maybe not. Maybe I need to tighten it a little bit more. Last night did order more hats from Culture Kings. So Alan and I went to Culture Kings when we were in Vegas. I believe that's the only in-store location in the world. I think they're opening more, but just as of right now, it's only in Vegas. So if you want their hats, which they're literally the best hats ever, you have to order them online. So we ordered 2 yesterday. We're gonna share them, and I'm excited for those to come. Morning guys, happy Tuesday. It is 11:35 right now. Just finished at the gym. I hit a leg workout, and it was definitely, I don't know, I'm just so tired the past like week or so. I don't know what's going on with me. I pushed myself and I got there, so that is good. I came to Shell gas station because I needed some gas after the gym, and then the hubby has been asking to get a car wash for his car for a few weeks now. So I figured since I'm at Shell, I might as well get it. So I'm just sitting in the car wash right now. I don't know about you guys, but like going to the car wash in the winter is like so weird for me. I just feel like it's kind of pointless because your car is gonna get dirty again because of the shitty weather. But we've been pretty lucky. Like we haven't had much rain, we haven't had much snow or anything like that, and our car is really dirty, and I know getting a car wash is good for the paint, but just like in my brain I'm like, what's the point? I feel like the winter's that time where you're like, even nice cars, like it's just the era to look shitty, you know. You have your steely winter tires on and all that stuff. So anyways, we have these like Shell car pass things. It's like a flex pass. You basically like get a discount for buying like a bunch at once, so I just use that. And I just wish that I had some food because I'm absolutely starving. As soon as I get home, I am gonna have some lunch. I love this part of the car wash when they put this colored soap. Oh my god, I'm such a child, but it's so cool. I'm home, I just walked Kobe, and before I do anything, I'm starving, so I need to eat. I didn't show you guys yesterday, but I meal prepped a taco salad. So it is extra lean ground turkey cooked with taco seasoning, and then my veggies are tomatoes, red pepper, orange pepper, cucumber, and some corn. For a little bit of crunch, you guys saw this in my grocery haul yesterday, I got these tortilla strips. These literally make this so good, so I'm gonna sprinkle that on top. Then I'm going to add some shredded cheese, And then what brings it all together is this Catalina dressing from Kraft. And I just pour that on top. I'm gonna put the lid back on, and that's how I'm gonna shake it, just to combine everything. I might have slightly put too much dressing. That's what the final product looks like. Oh my god. I actually have not made this as my meal prep. I want to say in like maybe 2 months or so. So I am excited. I know like this spring and summer especially, this is what I'm going to be eating all the time. It's just so colorful and crunchy and just refreshing. You definitely need to try it. Just got to my nail appointment and I have hair everywhere because I curled my hair. It's a little bit greasy, so I threw on a hat. But I am so dumb. So when I got home, I was eating my lunch. I took my memory card out of my camera and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna upload all of this morning's footage onto my laptop so it's already there. I don't have to deal with it later and I can edit it. And now I'm about to go to my nail appointment. I just turned on my camera and it was like, no memory card. And I was like, oh god damn it, I forgot to put it back in, my dumbass. So I'm vlogging on my phone quickly, but I need to get inside because my appointment is literally in 1 minute. Nails are disgusting. This one, I don't even know if I told you guys, at the gym I chipped it, which is so frustrating because they're nice and long and they look good. And then of course one had to chip today, like 2 hours before my nail appointment. That's just how it goes. That's my luck. I also brought a bag of clothes because I was planning on donating them. They always have a clothes bin right beside my nail place, but I'm looking and it's gone. I don't know when they got rid of it and I don't know where there's another one. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I think I might go with like a pinky-ish color, which is like a big dramatic change from black, but we will see. I need to go in. I am back home now, and these are the final nails. So I went with a really light pink. I feel like it's slightly darker, I don't know, in person. I feel like it just kind of blends in with my skin on the camera, but I could be wrong. Literally, who am I for doing this color? My nail tech girl was like, are you sure you want to do pink? And I was like, I know. It's so funny. They literally always call me out at my nail salon because they just know. And I previously had black on before. So she was like, she double asked me, she's like, are you sure? And I was like, yes. I also ended up getting a manicure just because I haven't got one, I think, since my cruise, which was in December. So it's been quite a while. Got the cuticles like all cleaned up and all of that good stuff. I'm kind of hungry, but Alan is on his way home. So I think I'm just gonna have a banana in the meantime. And I'm just gonna go in bed and start editing probably this vlog as well as watch The Bachelor because I need to catch up on yesterday's episode. I didn't watch it just because I was tired and I wanted to go to bed. So I did record it and I want to watch it today, which is honestly a blessing in disguise because I can fast forward the commercials. Happy Wednesday, guys. I just finished a workout. I hit a push day, so shoulders, chest, and triceps. Pretty good workout. Honestly, I did not want to go at all. Like, I mean, at all. I feel like I'm probably going to talk about it in another video, possibly. I don't know, but I have just been going through it the past few months. Just like with my mental health and just like things in my life, like personal things. I'm not necessarily ready to share, but I really need to get like a little stand for my camera because it keeps falling. But what I was trying to say was I feel like I'm almost... This is not working out for me. My camera keeps falling. But as I was saying, I'm trying to just like push through what I'm going through right now. And I'm not feeling like doing anything today. I'm just like feeling in a rut. But I pushed myself to go to the gym anyways, and now I am driving to Mississauga because I need to pick up food for Kobe because we're almost out. Probably after I feed him tonight for dinner, he's gonna be out of food. So since I have nowhere to prop you guys, I can't hold you guys while I drive, so I will talk to you when I get there. I just arrived to Ryan's Raw, so I still always get questions about Kobe's food. He is on a raw diet, and this is where we come for it. Ryan's Raw, it's in Mississauga, and basically I just keep it in my freezer. Whatever I am giving him currently will stay in the fridge. It has to be thawed, obviously. I will show you guys everything I get because I'm gonna be getting a lot. I'm back in the car. I just picked up, spent $77, so I'm gonna show you everything I got. I just quickly moved also because the lighting was so bright. So the first thing I get is recently we started giving Kobe unpasteurized raw goat milk. This is a really good like pre and probiotic for dogs. So you probably hear about like pre and probiotics for humans. This is really good for dogs, and honestly, Kobe loves it. The serving size depends on the weight. So for Kobe, he's about 20 pounds, so we give him a quarter cup once a day. So I give it to him with his dinner. Now for food, I bought him 6 2-pound like tubs, I guess. So the first is Farmer's Blend. He likes this one. So this is 60% ground chicken with bone, 20% ground beef, and 20% beef organs. So I got one of those. Actually, I lied. I got 2 Farmer's Blend for him. And then I bought one Canine Banquet. So this is 80% ground turkey with bone, 20% beef organs. Then I bought 2 turkey dinners. So this is 80% ground turkey with bone and 20% beef organs. So 2 of those. And then the 6th one I bought is just a solo one. I'm not sure if he's gonna like it because he's so damn picky, but this is chicken and salmon. So this is 75% ground chicken with bone and 25% ground wild Pacific salmon. These are literally so cold. I need to put them down. Now I'm gonna head home. It's about a 30-minute drive. I'm starving, so I'll catch you guys when I get home. I am home now. I showered, I ate, and honestly, I'm still feeling a bit down. Like it's just not a good day for me. So I think I'm actually gonna bake a cake because I know that's gonna make me feel good. And also I really want to eat cake. So I think it was like the last time I went to Buffalo, or maybe the time before that, I found this strawberry Betty Crocker cake mix. I've never seen this in Canada. I do not think we have it here. It's super easy. I just need 1 cup of water, which I always substitute as milk. I don't like using water. I always use milk. I need half a cup of vegetable oil and then 3 eggs. So half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk. So that's half a cup and half a cup. 3 eggs, 2 and 3. Now I'm just gonna whisk that all together. Okay, that is very pink. Holy cow, I'm so excited. It is all mixed together. Now I'm gonna put it in this pan. I actually just bought this from the dollar store. It's a non-stick pan. I think it was like $5 or something like that. It is non-stick, but I'm going to spray it anyways. Look at that color. Oh my lord. I genuinely cannot get over this color, but now we're gonna put it in the oven. I preset it to 350 and it's ready now. So we're gonna put her in. And we're gonna wait. So it took a little bit longer to bake than I thought. It was like in there for like almost 40 minutes. I put it out to cool down and it's finally cool. It's still actually a little bit warm, but I think it's good enough for me to start icing it. So I do have this Betty Crocker French vanilla icing. This one's my favorite and I'm just gonna put that on top. I'm gonna put a generous amount on. I also have these pink sprinkles. Might as well just kind of throw them on. That is the finished product of my cake. Honestly, it's nothing special, but it smells amazing. And it's gonna be a little pick-me-up because I definitely need it. And I want to eat it so badly, but I'm gonna wait till Alan gets home from work. It is 5:45 right now, and Alan and I are actually gonna go out for dinner. So I put some makeup on, and I'm just wearing this black dress from Garage. I have these like little booty things. I don't know, I haven't worn them in a really long time. And nothing special, I'm just wearing this jean jacket and a black scarf. And honestly, look at the sky right now. Holy heck, that looks insane. We have a reservation at 6 p.m. at Porthouse here in Burlington, so let's get going because I'm hungry. What are you doing?